Cherries are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect against oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. The high fiber content in cherries can help regulate digestion and promote healthy bowel movements. Eating cherries can help reduce the risk of heart disease, thanks to their ability to lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. The anthocyanins in cherries can help improve brain function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Cherries contain melatonin, a hormone that can improve sleep quality and help regulate the body's internal clock. Eating cherries can help reduce muscle soreness and aid in post-workout recovery, thanks to their anti-inflammatory properties. Cherries are a low-calorie, low-fat snack that can aid in weight loss when incorporated into a healthy diet. The potassium in cherries can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. The vitamin C in cherries can boost immunity and promote healthy skin and hair. Eating cherries can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colon cancer. Cherries are a good source of vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. The antioxidants in cherries can help protect against certain types of infections, such as urinary tract infections. Cherries are a natural anti-inflammatory, making them beneficial for those with conditions such as arthritis and gout. The fiber in cherries can help reduce the risk of constipation and promote healthy bowel movements. Eating cherries can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Cherries are a delicious ingredient in a variety of recipes, from salads and smoothies to pies and cakes. The flavonoids in cherries can help improve lung function and reduce the risk of respiratory diseases. The polyphenols in cherries can help improve gut health and reduce the risk of digestive disorders. The magnesium in cherries can help promote healthy bones and reduce